In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create pop-up animations in Canva step by step. If you want your text, images, or stickers to grab attention and instantly stand out, using pop-up animations is one of the easiest and most effective ways to do it. The best part is, you don't need any advanced design skills. Canva makes this incredibly simple, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to create smooth, eye-catching pop effects in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Canva tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Canva and load the design where you want to add the pop-up animation. This could be a social media post, a presentation slide, a YouTube intro, a reel, or even a marketing graphic. The pop animation works across almost all Canva design types, including videos and presentations, so you have a lot of flexibility. Once your design is open, click on the element that you want to pop up. This could be a piece of text, an image, a sticker, a shape, or even a logo. When you click on the element, you'll see a toolbar appear at the top of the screen. This toolbar gives you different editing options specific to that selected item. Now, look for the Animate button in the top toolbar and click on it. As soon as you click Animate, a panel will open showing all the available animation styles. Canva usually separates these into categories like Basic, Enter, Exit, and sometimes additional effects depending on your design type. Under the Basic Animation section, find and select the option called Pop. As soon as you click Pop, you'll see the animation applied instantly to your selected element. The element will now appear with a quick popping effect, which makes it feel more dynamic and engaging. Depending on your Canva version and design type, you may see additional customization options after selecting Pop. For example, you might be able to adjust the direction of the animation, control the intensity, or change the timing. If those settings are available, take a moment to experiment with them. Increasing the intensity can make the pop feel more dramatic, while adjusting timing can control how fast or slow the animation appears. If you're creating a presentation or video, timing becomes especially important. You can control when the element appears in relation to other elements on the page. This is useful if you want multiple items to pop up one after another instead of all at once. After applying the pop animation, click the play button at the top right of your screen to preview your design. This lets you see exactly how the animation will look when exported or presented. If the pop feels too fast or too subtle, go back into the Animate panel and tweak the settings until you're happy with the result. You can repeat this same process for multiple elements in your design. Just click on a new element, select Animate, choose Pop, and customize as needed. A helpful tip is to avoid overusing the effect. If everything pops at the same time, it can feel overwhelming. Instead, use pop-up animations strategically to highlight key messages, calls to action, prices, or important visuals. Once you're satisfied with your animations, you're ready to export your design. Click Share in the top right corner, then choose Download. If you're working on a static design with animation, make sure to download it as an MP4 video or GIF so the animation stays intact. If it's a presentation, you can present directly within Canva or download it as a video file. And that's it. That's how you create pop-up animations in Canva using the built-in pop animation feature. It's quick, beginner-friendly, and a powerful way to make your designs look more professional and engaging. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva guides in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.